Just getting my good DIY stretch on, you know.
On today's episode of Buy or DIY,
our friend Karlee is a makeup prosthetic artist looking to make the most of her second bedroom turned studio space. I'm gonna find a solution with the DIY. Welcome to my fireplace.
And I'm going to find the perfect buy. Marty, I made a dog.
At the end, Karlee's gonna pick which one she likes best.
Oh my god, they're beautiful!
This is Buy or DIY.
Hi Dani and Alexandra, I'm Karlee. I'm contacting you today because I need a little bit of help here. I work as a special effects makeup artist and I'm looking for a workstation. I like to work standing up, so I'm looking for a standing desk of some kind. I'm looking for a space-conscious solution because I share it with my partner over here. If this table has some storage space, that would be an added bonus. My budget is $400 to $450. Can you guys help me out? Thanks!
Karlee has the coolest job.
That is so fun. Yeah. I'm actually really excited.
Me too.
This is gonna be cool. Never done a standing desk. Lots of desks, but not a standing desk.
I also feel like it's a slight challenge for the buy because she wants a very specific size of desk. And I feel like most standing desks out there are quite large.
I'm sure you'll rise to the occasion.
Like, rise like standing desk, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any new episodes from season 2.
And don't forget to hit that bell notification so you never miss an episode upload.
Okay, well I'm gonna leave you here with your puns.
Amazing.
They're getting old really fast.
No, they never will.
Karlee has one of the coolest jobs, and she's enlisted Dani and I to help her come up with a compact and efficient solution for her shared studio space. So here's my plan. My plan is to find a one-stop shop for Karlee's office desk. That means that I want all of her art tools stored in one place. So I'm looking for a desk that's dual functioning. I want it to have lots of storage and a lot of worktop space for Karlee to work on her art.
I am so excited for this one, guys. And this is what I'm thinking. For my DIY standing table, I'm going to build the top using chipboard. Chipboard is durable, but also can take a beating and still look good. That's a win. I'll use a 3/4 inch plywood to build the base, adding storage cubbies for paper and other small sculpting items on the sides. The ultimate storage area will be in the middle of the desk, where I'm gonna add a large cubby that she can house all the remaining sculpting odds and ends she doesn't need constant access to. This cubby space will have a 3/4 inch acrylic square top that will act as a lift door, but also let her see into the storage area. And finally, to make this desk stand, I'm going to use galvanized piping to create 2 legs, which I'll spray paint a fun teal shade.
If you're an artist like Karlee, you probably have a ton of supplies that need storage. For a craft room, I find that it's really essential to have a utility cart like this that holds everything in one place. It's also on wheels so you can tuck it away under your desk when it's not in use and then pull it out when you are crafting. I also love to hack this piece with a couple S-hooks so you can hang your wet paintbrushes after you've washed them, or some baskets with like smaller accessories. I really think that this could be a great solution for all of her storage issues.
So to make a stand-up project like this, I'm gonna start by taking a small chunk out of my chipboard. Excellent. So we got some pocket holes. So now we get to put the puzzle piece together. Are you ready? We're not leaving the desk in oak. We are going to stain it in a beautiful black. While this is drying, I got a shellac. It's beautiful. You can actually see the amber tone of it. Lovely.
Filing cabinets are one of those things that people generally need in their homes, but don't always look the prettiest. But newsflash, you can actually find really stylish filing cabinets like this one. These are actually really great for hobby or craft stations because they usually have wheels on the bottom, so you can just slide them under your craft table or your desk and they're tucked away. The drawers are also really deep, but this isn't really the style I'm going for, so I'm gonna keep looking.
I'm Edward Pipe Hands. I can do it. No, go back. Wait, maybe I can screw it in. Cool. Anyways, let's move on. I'm going to give each of the galvanized pipe a light sand so that when I go to spray paint it, I'm giving something for the spray paint to hang on to.
Obviously, storage is key in a craft room. And when you're thinking about storage, try and find something that has doors. You want to be able to hide all of those things that look cluttered really quickly. I love this desk because the storage is kind of built into it and it's not taking away from the work surface. Now, Karlee wanted something that's a standing desk. She likes to work standing up. So I want to find something that's a little bit higher, but with storage that is built right into the desk, just like this.
Here's what we need to do next. I am going to drill a hole so that she can lift up the acrylic easily. I just have to add my little baby hinges, add the legs, and then we have a standing desk, folks. We are going to win this. Gator, we're late, we gotta go. What are you doing?
Well, Karlee actually inspired me to DIY something for her because she's a sculptor, right?
Yeah.
Pilot.
Well, we're late, so we need to go and leave the dog.
That was good. Violet.
All right, this is my space.
Wow. So many cool things.
Oh my gosh, what is
Danie.
this? Cool. Oh my God, can we talk about like these things here? Did this help you get a foot in the door? This is disgusting and amazing.
Thanks.
Like,
Your job is so cool. Well, where do you actually like sculpt? You have no surface to do so.
Sometimes in the kitchen, which
Right.
isn't ideal.
well, we have 2 contained desks, all for you. I'm gonna give you this.
Thank you.
You're gonna put those over your
Okay.
eyes. We're gonna lead you away, and then we're gonna reveal 2 options to you.
Okay.
Karlee, are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you
so
excited?
Great.
On the count of 3, you're gonna take off your blindfold, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my God, they're beautiful. Oh, and they're the perfect height. Oh my God. Look at the pocket thing. It's so good.
Before you make any decisions, I'm gonna first explain my buy.
Okay.
Karlee, you're an artist, you get messy, so I really wanted to focus on function over fashion. The top of this is made of plastic, so it's really easy to clean. It also has this little divot around the edge so that if you're using any liquids, they're not gonna fall over to the side. It's like a moat.
Desk mode.
And then there's this little bar here that you rest your foot on, and I want you to try it because it feels really good. And it just kind of like releases all that energy after you've been
Yeah.
standing for a while.
Gosh,
Doesn't
the
it feel
height-
nice?
Yeah, it feels really nice.
This desk is also adjustable. So you can move it up, you can move it
Oh, wow.
down. And the company actually sells a matching stool. So if you did want to turn this into a sitting desk at some point, you could. And then down here, there's a little shelf for supplies. So I got you this acrylic box. If you're working on a specific project for the week, you can keep all your tools that you need in this box. You can see it, it's easily accessible. And I think it'll be a really functional workspace for you.
That anti-spill moat around the end is so cool. I love that it's adjustable. I think that's so cool, and it'll be great. It'll last me forever in that way because it's so versatile. I love the shelf at the bottom. I'm already picturing in my mind what I can put on that shelf, like product-wise, like what I use like pretty frequently. And that footrest.
So good, right?
Yeah, it's really good.
Okay, so you gave us a budget of $400 to $450. I spent $400, which I know is a little pricey. So you're paying for the quality of it, you're paying for the function, and pieces like this, as you know, can get pricey.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm gonna pass the foot. Take it.
Okay.
And I'm going to explain to you my DIY. So you asked for a standing desk. I mean, I feel good at this. Here, come up to this desk. How do you feel in this
Feel
desk?
good.
Yeah, feels like the right height? For the desktop, I went with a chipboard, and here's why. Because you're doing a lot of work on it and you're gonna be scuffing things up, you don't have to worry about like spilling something on it or chipping something away, because the more beat up it looks, the better it gets. I gave the chipboard a beautiful shellac, which gives it that amber tone, so it kind of brings out those nice yellows, but it's making it super durable. To really add a piece of conversation to your desk, what I did was I added a piece of clear acrylic. So I thought, what a great way to be able to put away stuff, but you can see what's there. Or you could stick a hand in there, or you know, you could put an ear in there if you want to have some fun, just to throw it on in. Then on the side, I built you in some cubbies. I know you have a lot of products and pieces that you use, so I added in some storage on the side, and then I added a long piece of storage on the front.
It's amazing. It's beautiful. I feel with this one, it's really a conversation piece. Like I would want to tell people about this desk. I love the storage space in the top. The pocket thing on the side, like that's genius. I would never think to dress it in such a way, so it's interesting to see it like that.
Excellent.
Yeah, it's really, really beautiful.
So, let's talk about budget. So you gave us a budget between $400 to $450. Well, I spent $3.99. So I am $1 under Alexandra. So now you can take home $51.
Okay, so the time has come to make the most important decision of the hour. I'm gonna hand pilot you because I feel like you guys should make this decision together.
Thank you.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Joint decision.
Are you going to buy or are you going to DIY?
This is a really hard decision. I think I'm gonna buy just based on functionality. It's functional. It's so functional.
I get it.
Hey, next
Now
time.
I know. I gotta build in a foot bar into all of my designs. Hello. Congratulations, Alexandra. A victorious standing win.
Thank you.
But I'm going to walk away with my foot held high.
Good one.
Thank you.
But guys, we want to know what you think down below. Are you team buy?
Or were you team DIY?
And we will see you next time.